Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1971 Monte Carlo. This one here has, I believe, to be 350 under the hood. Looks like the AC compressor's under the hood, power steering's there. Decent car here. We'll come down with the hood. I just did a walk around pointing out any kind of flaws around this car, so definitely check that out. You can locate that the last 30 seconds of this video. Make it easy for you. I have financing and shipping available and 100 detailed pictures of this ride at maplemotors.com. Be sure to check that out because I update that website every Monday with new inventory. Here on YouTube, we're going to be doing a test drive, so be sure to check out all the test drives of all the cars if you're interested in these classics. For now, hit that subscribe button. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, go look around the interior, get her started up. Pretty quiet. I can show you the mileage, but I can't stand behind it. There's our gas gauge right at quarter tank. We'll try our windshield wipers out. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? It's a little game we like to play on the channel. I couldn't get none of the blower motor or air controls to cut on and work. So those do not work. Let's try that horn. Y'all ready? It does work. Looking around the interior, got my bag with all my gear. You can see what I use to make these videos below in the description. I have Amazon links to everything. Tell you what, let's take off. All right, so we're gonna get the seatbelt on, take off down the road. Anything that I see, I will let you know. This is my first time driving this car myself. I do that with every car. I just jump in here and learn it with y'all. Usually gives me the best outcome. And it keeps me honest, right? Here we go. Speedometer's coming up. Gas gauge is moving around. We're gonna have to stop, get some. We're right at quarter tank. We're going straight as an arrow down the road. It's not pulling left or right. Shifted out pretty good. Steering's tight. As soon as I turn, it turns. Think that kick down's hooked up? It is. Shifted down. It's working. Brakes are a little bit stiff. I'll get on them when there's not a bunch of people behind me. Kick down set up nice. Suspension on this one's very smooth. Feels great. All right. Yeah, brakes are stopping fast. Turn signals, they do work, but the right one's not popping up on the dash here. But they do work on the walk around that I did. I checked that. They were all coming on. We're gonna pull in here, put about $20 worth of fuel in this car, and we'll keep this test drive rolling. Okay, let's get some gas. We'll also be checking that gas gauge. I'm sure it works. It's floating around on the dash. It's a good sign. All right, put the gas in behind the tag, right here in the back. And as you can tell before we got here, gas gauge was on below quarter tank. Now it is up above half. That gas gauge works, guys. Let's hit the road. right, heading on back to the car lot now. Everything's been good. Motor's staying nice and cool. This car's got some looks. Had a few people drive up in here and ask about it. Running and driving wise, very good. Brakes feel good. Throttle response is nice. Suspension's nice. Pretty much everything but the clock works on the dash. All right, this is a road with the very small speed bump now. Seems like when the cold weather came in and the ice on the ground and stuff, it kind of like shrunk. But it was right here. Still hear it. This car is like a boat. It just floats over it nice and smooth. Car lot's right here. We're getting ready to pull in. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. I got some more videos to do for you today. If you have any other questions, visit us at maplemotors.com. We have financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are available. You can get close to 100 detailed pictures of this ride. Also financing and shipping. Just got to jump over to my main website. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also hit like and share. That helps us out greatly. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks again, guys.